Here's a quick summary of how Cad Crowd can help with your next engineering, CAD design, 3D modeling, or industrial design project. For a full summary of the services that we offer and how our platform works, you can click the How It Works page. In addition, you can check out our list of services, which covers all the areas of design we offer. Virtually anything that can be done and designed on a remote basis, we can help out with that. So feel free to get a quote at any point for a free estimate on your project. Our community has over 20,000 industrial designers, drafters, etc., who are vetted and use main CAD software, including AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Inventor, and more. We have virtually all the software packages covered with our 20,000 designers. In addition, we hold funds for any of our vetted designers until the design project is complete. In other words, the designer is only paid when the initial scope of your project is successfully completed, and then they receive their payment. In addition, we have designers in different global locations depending on client preferences and budget, which means you'll receive high quality communication and excellent work standards. In addition, we cover non-disclosure and protect your intellectual property and confidentiality, which is fully summarized on this page.